Today we're making skillet roasted lemon chicken, okay? And I'm gonna make a lemon sauce. I've got some white wine in here and lemon juice. I've squeezed 1 lemon, and that's gonna come later, after we get our chicken cooked. So you can see I've already got our chicken going in here, and I'm gonna turn him over now, and let's see how he's doing. Oh yeah, he's doing nice. Okay, I've got this already. I did it in some flour. There we go. And we're gonna brown this thing on all sides, and I'm gonna give it some more pepper here. Okay, and some salt as it browns on this side now. Okay, and then what we're going to do, let's see here, this one didn't quite flip. There he goes. All right, we're gonna get this all browned out, then I'm gonna take it out, and in here I've already shook my chicken breast in the flour, which I'm going to go brown those next, okay? So we'll hold these right here while we're getting these browned up. And an easy way to make your meals more economical is to get a whole chicken and cut it up. You might want to watch my long version of cutting up a chicken to save money, okay? And with this particular recipe, I'm going to have it next to the videotape of this, so when you're watching it, you'll see a recipe there telling you what to get and what steps to follow. I'm going to give that a try, and if you guys like it, we'll keep doing it, okay? So there we have it. And what I'm going to do here is move this over, because I want to get my empty dish here. Take a look and see how these are going here. Okay, I think we can, we'll brown this just a little more here. The fennel seed makes it really nice here. And then when we go in later with the white wine, dry white wine and lemon juice with the onions underneath and everything, it's going to make up for a beautiful, beautiful sauce. And the flour is going to cause the thickening agent is going to be our flour today. And if you need it to be more thick, add a little flour later on before you put your chicken back in when you're making your sauce towards the end. Okay. So let's get these out. Let's just get these out and go in with our chicken breast right in here. Look at this. We have, because this flour and all of the spices and everything is going to stay in here. And now we're going to go in with our chicken breast, which I've got all dredged in here, and I'm just going to kind of shake him off just a little bit, and we're going to get him right in there.
That's like your roux.
Oh, yeah, it's going to be like a roux to thicken it. You're absolutely right, Anthony. And then we'll just get this out of our way. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing here to these 2 chicken breasts. I took half a chicken breast and I cut them in half. Okay, and then I'm going to get some of our fennel and our thyme here, and a little bit of pepper right on here, just like that. Okay, and then we're going to brown these off. Okay? And after we get them browned off, what we're going to do is we're going to take and throw our onions in and get them spread across the bottom, because we're going to make this with some lemon on top of the onions. And then we're going to put the lid on with the chicken back in and make a beautiful lemon sauce. Well, after the chicken is cooked, we'll take it out. Okay? And then we're going to come in with our dry white wine and lemon juice. Okay, so while Anthony is showing you that, I'm going to get over here and get a lemon, because I need a lemon for this. And
the recipe for tasty lemon herbal chicken will be at the end. There will also be a link in description.
Okay, we've got a lemon, and just cut it so it's in slice. Like this. See how I'm doing, everybody? And there. So now we have a lemon, beautiful lemon, ready to go for our dish. Okay, so now let me see how this is going here. Oh, he's browning a little faster now. I want this kind of golden brown to go with my sauce today, because when this goes back in, it's going to be really nice. All right. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of pepper on this side and a little bit of salt. There we go. Okay.
More fennel.
That fennel and the thyme is going to go right on here. And then we're going to throw the rest of what I have in here of my fennel and my thyme. My fennel seeds, and I took and I smashed them a little bit, okay? And it smells really great in the kitchen here for all of you that know about fennel seeds and fennel, what it smells like. Okay. All right, so we're going to get this going. Then we're going to go in with our onions. Okay. All right, let's get that there. This is good enough for me. All right, now what I'm going to do is go in with our onions, okay? So I'm going to go right in here with this beautiful stuff. And these I slice, so I'm going to get them in here, all loosened up like this. See how I sliced them? And then now I'm pulling them apart. We're just going to get all of them in here. Just like that. And we're going to do it this way. Just like this. And then what I want to do with these is kind of get them mixed up in the roux that was left with the spices and the salt and everything. So what we're going to do is just take our tongs here, and I'm going to kind of mix them up like this and get them going here. Okay. I think I'm going to add just a little bit of this wine, just a little. There we go. Just to kind of start these up. And then what I'm going to do is take our lemon, and I'm going to go right on top of the onions with the lemon, like this. Just slice your lemon. Okay, and then right on top of that, what I'm going to do is rinse my fingers here real quick. Okay, and what I'm going to do is put our chicken back in right on top of the lemon slices, just like this. Get it right back in, get it all right on top. Right there, and right there's another wing. And then we have our thyme. Okay. All right, so what we're going to do is then take all of what we have left of our thyme in that and just go right across the top like this.
Ooh, that smells good.
Right on top of there. Okay. And then we're going to put the lid on top just like this, and we're going to cook our chicken until it's nice and you don't see any more red showing through, okay, when you prick it with your little stick, okay? All right, so there we have it. And then after this cooks, we're going to take it out, the chicken, set it aside, come back in with the onions in there and the lemons, and add and make our sauce, and then put the chicken back on, and then off to dinner we go. Okay, so there you go. There you have it. A simple way to take a cut-up chicken that you save money with and make a zesty, delightful, lemon, roasted on the stove chicken. Okay, so this is Pete. Look at the recipes. We love you. The shorts, the longs, watch everything. We love you all. Pete out.
The recipe for tasty lemon herbal chicken will be at the end. There will also be a link in description.